We have going in the community to know their needs, to work with them, to work with their ideas. We ask them, what is your opinion? What is your thoughts? So we are working according to their acceptation. It's my passion and zeal to work for Christ. I have seen and learned the sacrifice of Christ who died for us, and He gave us that much grace, and that's why I decided to be a pioneer, to be His worker. And this is the place where work was not completed. The Adventist message was not started. So I decided to come to this area, because that time there is no one is there who can teach about the three angel message. When I see the need of this city, I decided to start working. Just to mingle with them, make friendship with them. We have invited them for dinner and all. So likewise we have make circle, friend. When people they seeing all these communities work, they want to appreciate us, they want to join with us, they want to shake hands with us. We have decided to work for these people, and now we have gathering with the people. So the center of influence we have tried from long time. Lord give us a place, so finally we receive this residence. People are coming from villages to this place to get the knowledge, to religious knowledges, for the basic information. So this place is actually a center of influence for many people who are staying nearby this city. So when we work it, we work only for the Lord's, not for the money, not for other things. So people, they have seen the genuine and love, the genuinity and the faithfulness of Christ. So that's why they like it. When they like it, then they like the teaching also. We are teaching and touching the lives of many people. I have seen that it's not me or my work or my own strength. It's the Holy Spirit, it's the God who are working in behind and front of us. So I feel much excited and happy, and I want to thank God. He is still leading me.